very spacious.
Out into the open, and then we'll eventually end up along the bluffs, and you can see out. And then there used to be a really cool trail that goes through the trees down. They had stairs, and you go down through cliffs down to the beach, but it's closed now.
Oh.
So we got to walk out to a road. It's a closed road, but then walk down that road to the beach. And there's a lighthouse at the very point.
Oh.
So we got to the lighthouse and then come back a different way.
Okay.
That's UPS.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, multiple. Guess I'm gonna eat one. They're tangy. Ah.
Yeah. Tangy blackberry.
They're so sour. They look nice though.
Just the birds chase the hawk into the trees. They're flying around still. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh yeah. Big spiders. Yeah, we need to get looking at that. Shouldn't be pleasant. Guess what? We're at the beach. We're at the beach. The water's really nice on this side. It's actually clear. Probably pretty cold though. Oh, kayakers.
Hi.
Studying the sun.
Yeah.
Oh.
Still sour.
Unlike?
No matter what I eat.
If you get one that just like almost falls off. Oh, wait. It's really dark. Oh, here's some big ones.
Oh,
Sour?
that was good.
It was?
Mmm.
Try these guys.
Mmm. That one's also good. You're the berry man.
Mm.
You know your berries.
You just have to be really dark. Here you go.
Mmm. That's good too.
Yeah.
Yay. Yay, we got some good ones.
As Leanne walking the grueling hill back up from the beach at Discovery Park. She's working hard.
Walking hard.
Yep.
Hardly walking.
She's really cruising now. Really blasting up this hill.
So what you don't know, or what I haven't said in the video yet, is that I run with these on,
Look at those.
and I think my calves are more prepared than if I wasn't running in these sandals.
That's probably true. Super strong.
It actually
calf
feels
muscles.
better walking this way.
Yeah. Leanne's now walking backward to stretch out her legs. But the top is right up there. Almost there. Here we are, folks. Beautiful, beautiful view of the Olympics from Discovery Park.
Oh, I see. There's 14% left. We're at Kenmore Air. We're gonna fly an airplane to San Juan Island, and John's a little upset that it's cloudy, so hopefully maybe we'll see something. Otherwise, this morning we're just going to see cloud, and then on the way back, hopefully it'll be sunny enough to see some clear skies.
Looks like a jet, like a private jet. It's got a prop, a tricky jet prop in the front, just like these. Yeah. As you can see, we don't have a clear, sunny sky today. There's some low fog. So we'll do our best to get up there, but if it looks unsafe to me for any reason, we're going to turn around and come back right here, okay? All right, let's go.
You want to start?
We're saying goodbye to Kenmore Air.
Goodbye. As I was saying earlier, not every vacation day is going to be a good day. Such is life, right? So our plan now is to go back to the car and figure out what we're going to do. We might rent a bike or explore the area and get brunch or do all of that, because now we have an abundance of time to do all sorts of really cool various things. Right, John?
No,
No?
I don't know what to do now.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, not every day is going to be good. That's okay. All right, let's go. Jeez, man. Antioxidant heaven.
Oh yeah.
We're going to the locks. Oh! Oops. Seatbelt. So we're going to the locks, and then we're going to the Golden Garden Park. So we took a long break. I had some vegan ramen. John went out to get a coffee. I also had some papaya. Feels good to recharge a little. We've been going really hard for the last, how many days? Since we got here, we've been going hard.
Yeah, we're tired out. Too many things to see.
Too many
See them
things.
all. Gotta do stuff.
And he knows all the things too, so that's the next thing. So now we're trying to just take it somewhat easy today, because tomorrow we're going to Mount Rainier. It's going to be a 3-hour trip, so we have to get our thoughts collected and everything organized, and hopefully we'll get there safely. We'll be okay.
Early in the morning, get up at 5 a.m. again.
This morning we got up at 6 o'clock, 5:45. We could feel the effects of time adaptation, because today was harder to get up. Tomorrow, I think it'll be a lot harder if we don't sleep early tonight. Okay, off we go.
Eat early, sleep.
Eat early, sleep early.
Get up early.
Aye.
Smell that?
Oh, it smells good.
What kind of tree is that? I want to get a tree like that.
Attention all vessels in the large lock. The water level is changing. Stand by your line. The water level is changing. We're going down.
Whoa, whoa. What's his problem? No way.
Lazy buggers?
Yeah.
Just hanging out.
Hell.
What size of it? Nobody's hanging out down there. Just hanging out.
Go get it. Go get the fish.
They just sit there eating all the fish.
Sounds like the life.
Chill, right?
Yeah.
Chill. You probably walk on that.
Yeah. It's like I want to throw something in there to prove that it's not solid. Man, those ducks just crack me up, man. Like bobbing around.
Bobbing around.
Oh my god, it's too funny. We're in Golden Gate Gardens,
Golden Gardens.
Golden Gardens.
Yeah.
It's so peaceful here. See?
The thing about a place like this is when I come home from work, I feel like grubby and a little bit stressed. And then you come out into this and you totally relax. You just feel like change as a person, just coming out here, you know?
Yeah.